Imagine your CV as a golden ticket, opening doors to your dream teaching position. It's more than just a document, it's your first impression. A captivating CV can set you apart in a competitive field. Discover the key elements that make a teacher CV stand out. Start with a strong personal profile that highlights your passion and skills. This section should reflect your career aspirations and unique qualities, setting the tone for the rest of your CV. Include essential sections, personal details, work experience, education, and skills. Tailor your CV to align with UK teaching standards, ensuring it meets the expectations of potential employers. Highlight both soft and hard skills relevant to teaching. Use action verbs and quantifiable achievements to demonstrate your impact. This approach showcases your ability to foster a thriving learning environment. Include additional experiences like volunteer work and certifications to enhance your CV. These elements can provide a comprehensive view of your capabilities and dedication to the teaching profession. Avoid generic information and focus on relevant details. Proofread meticulously to maintain professionalism. A well-presented CV reflects your attention to detail and commitment to excellence. Effectively present your references and additional qualifications. By doing so, you'll reinforce your credibility and readiness for the role. Remember, your CV is a reflection of your professional journey. By crafting a standout CV, you'll increase your chances of landing interviews. Now take action, update your CV with CVMaker today, and open doors to new opportunities in your teaching career